Good morning, students. Today I am going to discuss types of network. Yesterday I have given you the list of the types of network. I am revising them. Please note down. First one is PAN, second is LAN, third is MAN, and fourth one is WAN. And note down the full forms also. PAN is personal area network, LAN is local area network, MAN is metropolitan area network, and WAN is wide area network. How to remember them or identify them? PAN is actually, say you are connecting your Bluetooth device or mobile device with your PC or something like that. That is personal area network. Within within the confinement of a room or a hall, you may have the network. Now see, LAN is something within a building. Okay, the network that is within a building. All the computers of your Vidyalaya premises are connected to local area network. That is called local. Metropolitan area network is something that the connection between two metropolitan cities. The computers are connected between the metropolitan cities, and that's why the name MAN. Come to WAN, wide area network. Between the countries, when the computers are connected, it is called WAN. So example is Wi-Fi network. Okay, please note down personal area network. It's spread in the proximity of an individual, covering few meters radius. Example: Bluetooth, infrared, cameras, MP3 or MP4 players, etc. Come to local area network. The local area network are the simplest types of network designed to connect small physical areas. Such as offices, buildings, etc. The topologies used are star, ring, or bus topology. Come to MAN or metropolitan area network. Note down, it covers an area of a few kilometers. Say within a city. The government offices may be far off places, separated by few kilometers, 50 to 100 kilometers. Those offices may be connected using metropolitan area network. So please write down the example: a network of schools, banks, government offices, etc. Come to WAN. Wide area network. This type of network connects computers across longer physical distances via internet. Example: a network of ATMs throughout the countries, banks, international organizations, national offices, etc. So these are different types of network. Now come to the heading network layout. Give the heading network layout. See, you being a IT professional, me interested to design a network layout for your building, your university, or your college, or your office. Okay, in that case you must know what are the different network layout or how to plan or design a network layout. Okay, now there are basic things that you have to go through. A good network layout must have several features. Please note down features of a good network layout. Features of a good network layout. Number 1, communication speed. Number 2, file sharing. Number 3, backup and rollback. Number 4, hardware and software. Number 5, security. Fifth is scalability. Then reliability. So these are few features of a good network layout. So whenever you are going to design a network layout for your building or your case, then you must go through all these features. Your communication speed must be high. It should be secured. It should be scalable. It should be reliable. It supports file sharing. All these things must be there. So in your examination, one question of designing a network layout will come. So let us see how to solve this type of problems. So please note down how to decide network layout. See, first of all, you have to think about small installation and maintenance cost. So please note down under this point small installation and maintenance cost. Small installation and maintenance cost. Okay, and then in the second line you please write shortest cable length. Shortest cable length. Okay, shortest cable length. These two features will be the foremost conditions that you look after. Okay, now see, we'll take an example for this. Please note down in your copy the question. I'm reading it, I'm dictating it, just you write down, note down in your copy. FTC company is a professional consultancy company and is planning to set up their new offices in India. With its hub at Udaipur. As a network advisor, you have to understand their requirement and suggest them the best network layout. I'm repeating. FTC is a consultancy company planning to set up their new offices in India with its hub at Udaipur. As a network advisor, you have to suggest them the best network layout. and the diagram is given over here that gives you an idea of their office distance. Please note down this. First see the overall layout. I am giving you an idea of overall layout. Now I am zooming this picture. You have to note down this in your copy. Physical location of the blocks of FTC. So this is the human resource block. This is the conference block. This is the finance block. This is the human resource block. I am again repeating. This is the conference block and this is the finance block. Now I would like to show you the block distances in meter. See, this is the tabular representation. You have to draw it. So there are three columns. Please note down them. Block from human resource to conference room. The distance is 110 meter. Secondly, from human resource to finance department, the distance is 40 meter. Then from conference room to finance department, the distance is 80 meter. This is important for cable layout. Okay, now if we consider, I am coming to the cable layout. If we consider, we may connect human resource department. The first option may be human resource department may be connected with conference hall, and conference hall will be connected to finance. In that case, the cable layout cost will be 110 meter plus 80 meter. How can this come? See from the table, from human resource department to conference room, the distance is 110 meter, and from the conference room to the finance department, the distance is 80 meter. So that's why these two, I'm summing up these two and I'm getting the total cable layout as 190 meter. So I am considering all the permutation combinations. For example, from conference to finance, then from finance to human resource. In that case, the cable layout may be drastically decreased. For example, 80 plus 40 meter will be 120 meter. Again, one more option is there. Finance department, connect the finance department to human resource department, and then the human resource department to conference department. You are getting 40 plus 110 meter equals to 150 meter. So which one is the less? 120 meter. So we are going for the second option. So in this way, all can be arranged in round robin manner. Ring topology will be discarded as it will increase the cable length. Okay, we can go for the second option. So here we are going to discuss the star topology. If I am going to discuss the star topology, in this again 120 meter is the lesser one. Here base layout is B, finance to conference and finance to human resource, as it require minimum cable length. Tree topology will be also same due to only 3 blocks are there. Okay, so in this way you have to go for various options, and from there you have to choose the best one. Okay, now you are asked to decide the server location, where you want to put the server. Now see here in this table, the table will be given in your question. In human resource department there are 25 computers. In finance department there are 120 computers, and in the conference room there are 90 computers. So the server is placed where maximum number of computers are there. So server will be better placed in finance department. Server can be installed at finance block. Okay, now where you should add a repeater. Okay, so the repeater may be added based on the distance. We need a repeater when the total length of a single span of network cables, a twisted pair, exceeds 100 meter. And in case of coaxial cable, if it exceeds 500 meter, we will place a repeater. And in case of fiber optic, it may be 80 to 100 kilometer, we will place a repeater. Now see, satellite link is required when network blocks wings are far from each other, say in some other city or something like that. Here also our cities are from Delhi to Udaipur, so we must use satellite link for data communication channel. And for data security, a firewall can be installed. These are important points that you should know while setting up the internet for your business. Okay. For economic internet connection, dial-up internet connection or internet broadband connection may be preferred. As for faster and cheaper, broadbands will be preferred. How to decide hub or switch location? If the option is given between hub and switch, you should choose switch device, because switches are half duplex. A hub is a half duplex, just act as a repeater, but switches will be full duplex and the data traffics will be intelligently located. So it will be better to choose switch. So one question from this portion, network layout, will come in your examination. For today, the networking is only this much. Please note down the notes and submit it to me by 5 p.m. Thank you very much.